Hi everyone. In the previous video I had shown a 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, but that one was a yellow color. In this video I'm going to show you this blue 1969 Roadrunner, which was bought about the same time as the yellow one, and this 1969 GTX, which I've bought later. They're both made by ERTL in the 1:18 scale, and they're about from the same time. So let's take a better look at a GTX, since I've shown a Roadrunner before. Some of the differences we can notice. First one, the black line that goes along the whole body from front to the back, as well as a chrome trim around here in the skirt line. Roadrunner doesn't have it. Rear, it's chrome trim. Roadrunner doesn't have. The taillights are the same, the bumper is the same, and the exhaust, when you're talking about a stock version, is the same. Back window, same thing. Again, in front, the grille is different, but headlights are the same, bumper is the same, hood is the same. The only difference here accounts for these two carburetors are shown here, and they're not here since this car is a custom and this one is a stock. So let's take a look at this engine. As we open the hood, we can see a pretty good engine bay with a very nice Hemi engine with the double carburetor. The hinges here are a little bit big, just same that happens to this Roadrunner, which has got a stock engine, which is also a Hemi, but it's pretty decent. It's pretty well made. It's no big deal really. You can see the radiator and the front grille, which is not a grille actually, but a cast-in plastic piece, but it's alright. It's pretty well done. The hood features this opening here for these carburetors, the windshield wipers, and the trim here that was not actually painted or made in chrome, but I intend to further do some more detailing on it. Interior, which features some bucket seats, some pretty decent seats. It's all made in plastic. There's no carpet in here. Mechanical transmission, custom steering wheel, which steers the wheels as happens to all 118 Diecast cars. Door panels, which are good. Dashboard, which is pretty decent. There's no headliner. And the bottom, which is basically a plastic piece with some plastic parts, black plastic parts. No further detailing on it. Just mufflers here. They're made in steel color, just like they're supposed to be. These are custom mufflers. The engine is made in red, just like the transmission. It's going to look a little bit like plastic, but it's okay. And the drive shaft is fixed. It doesn't turn as we turn the rear wheels. Front suspension features steering system, but there are no coil springs, and suspension is all fixed. And as a whole, this model is pretty decent. It's pretty good for a budget model. It has some issues, such as this opening here, some chrome trim that was not done here with the collar, but in general, it's a pretty decent and nice car. It's pretty good to have in a collection if you are a Mopar fan, just as I am. So that's going to be it. Please don't forget to like my video and share it, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for all comments, for sharings, likes. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.